Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have green beans and red potatoes, and these are the ingredients. I have a tablespoon of margarine. I have some chicken broth. I have smoked turkey. I like the tails. You can use whichever part you like. I have some smashed garlic cloves. 2. Pepper. Red pepper flakes. Parsley. And I have some white onions that I have cut in half and sliced. I have your green beans and your red potatoes. And I want to show you how I snap my beans and how I cut my potato. And here are my beans. See, each end I just snap off. And I snap in half. And there are some that I've already done. Take each end. Snap them off and snap it in half. Each end. And then after I've done it, I rinse in cold water really well. And my potato, I just cut them in fourths. Slice it down the middle. And I cut them into fourths, which I've already done here. And you just rinse them off really well in cold water. And this is what we're going to do next. I have my pot already on medium, and my chicken broth I'm going to add to the pan. I'm going to add my smoked meat. And let me show you. I usually slice the meat like this. So as it cooks, it'll kind of like fall off the bone and into the string beans. I'm going to add my potatoes. And my beans. My onions. I kind of like break them loose. Add some pepper. Some red pepper flakes. Lots if you like it spicy. I just like it to hit the back of my throat a little bit. The garlic cloves that I've smashed. Parsley. And the margarine. And we're going to cover. I have it on medium high. And we're going to let it start to boil and to cook. And we'll be back to check on it. Our string beans have cooked down. I've taken the meat off of the smoked meat off of the bone and added it back into the beans. I added a little more pepper. I added a couple of capfuls of distilled white vinegar, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. Now I'm going to plate some up for you. And here you have it. Green beans with red potatoes and smoked turkey meat. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. It was fun. Hope it was fun for you. Remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them. Pray for you, pray for us. Pray again. Don't stop praying. Pray. And until next time, friends, be well.